Hello.
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. And may I know your name, please?
My name is Chanel.
Snell, it's so nice to see you here.
Good to meet you. And what is your name?
My name is Anuj, and I'm
Anuj.
from India. Yes.
Ah,
And
let
Snell,
me.
where are you now, and where are you from?
That's the first student that asked me, where are you now and where are you from? So, I
Yeah,
am from
exactly,
South
because
Africa.
there are several students
Yeah.
who teach at a different place, but they are properly from different place. So by
Yeah. So,
birth, they are from other.
yeah. And you are you living in India at the moment?
Yes, at the same place, at
Ah,
my
okay.
native place, I would say.
At your native, your home country.
Yes.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
live in a village.
Oh, nice. Well, I think it's nice. Do you like living in a village?
Yes, this is the location. Yes, I like it because
Why?
when you are in a village, it's like you are in the middle of the nature.
Exactly, exactly.
Yes.
Yeah. And
So you are in
what do
the
you
middle
do
of
in the village?
greenery. What
Sorry,
I
I think
do?
there's a delay. Yeah. What do you do? What is your
Is
work or
my
job?
voice not clear? Is my voice not clear?
It's clear, but I think there's a short delay because, like,
Yeah.
as I ask a question, all of a sudden you're still answering something, and I'm like, oh, you were still talking, but there was a delay, I
Ah,
think.
okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah. So
Because of
I'll just,
connection. It's
hmm,
evening time here, but the connection is good, I would say. But maybe
yeah,
because a lot of users start to use internet at this time. So because of that,
maybe. And so
yes.
I'll just wait a little bit longer after you talk before I ask a question. So
Okay, no problem. We can continue.
great.
We can
So
continue.
Anuj, tell me, what do
Yes.
you do?
Okay, so do you remember that I wrote you before?
Yeah.
I wrote you for the permission.
Ah. Oh, is this you? Oh, great. It's so good to meet you.
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. Yeah.
Yes, I told you that conversation. So I has a conversation with you, and then I'll upload this conversation on my channel where
Yes. Now I remember. I didn't put the two together. Sorry. Okay. So why don't
that's why.
you? So. Oh dear.
Work at this. My voice clear?
No, I lost you for a second there. I lost you for a second. Could you just repeat that again? Oh no.
Am I audible now?
Sorry, Anuj, I can't hear you. Let's give it a chance to reconnect. Hmm. Hi.
Oh,
Hi. There we
okay.
go.
Very bad connection. Suddenly very bad. So
Yeah.
I came outside. Okay, I came outside of my room, and
Oh,
then I
cool.
tried connecting you again and again.
Yeah, unfortunately, it can be a little bit difficult, right? Okay,
Yeah,
so you
sometimes
have a
it happens.
YouTube channel.
Yes, Chanel, you're right.
And and how many followers do you have?
So at this time, 1.46K subscribers at this time. Sorry, for
Nice.
1.48K.
So 1480 or
Right. 1482 at this time.
that's so cool. Okay. And do you just post videos with like casual conversations with teachers, or do you talk about other things as well?
So I also I make short videos. It's like one video covers one new vocabulary almost every day I try to put. And
Oh,
sometimes if I get new words, I make videos about them and then upload that video. But mostly I try to talk with tutors, especially with the tutors who allow the conversation to be uploaded. Okay, and fortunately you are one of them. And Chanel,
oh,
it's
well,
so hard. It's so hard to find a tutor who allows the conversation to be uploaded. It's so hard. Yes. In fact,
yeah.
99% tutors do not allow.
Mm. I think it's mainly because, in our conversation, um, you know, words can be twisted, videos can be edited. So it's
Right.
risky. You know what I'm saying? Um, yeah. So that could be problematic. But for me, I just feel like, you know what, if this benefits somebody else somewhere along the way, that's great. You just gotta like trust that
Everyone,
good things will happen.
absolutely right. Absolutely right. Because everyone is living with different mentality.
Mm,
Right.
yeah.
So this is your positive perspective, and but mostly tutors have not. In fact, one tutor of them, I mean one of
Mhm.
them, she asked me that, okay, I will allow you to upload the conversation, but I need the share, and I will demand 40% share of the revenue. Okay, I said, what is this? What is this? And
Oh well, yeah.
the tutor told me that Cambly pays me just a little money. Okay, so that's why I'm asking for it. And
Ooh.
I said, okay, I know, but Cambly also charges me. I'm talking to tutors because I pay Cambly. I paid,
Hmm.
and then